Looking for construction tools that actually make a difference on the job site? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 12 brand new Amazon construction tools built to help you work faster, smarter, and with a whole lot less effort. So, let's jump straight into it. Breaking concrete doesn't have to feel like a full-day workout. The VEVOR 1400-watt Demolition jackhammer delivers an incredible 2,900 blows per minute, giving you the power to tear through concrete, brick, asphalt, and stone with impressive speed. Inside the case, you'll get 2 heavy-duty chisels, protective gloves, and a rugged carrying case, so you're ready to work right out of the box. Its ergonomic handles help reduce fatigue during long demolition jobs, while the powerful motor maintains consistent impact from beginning to end. When you're working in tight spaces, flexibility becomes everything. The Cerycose Cordless Brushless Reciprocating saw, compatible with Milwaukee 18-volt batteries, delivers impressive cutting performance without dragging extension cords around the job site. Its tool-free blade change lets you swap between wood, metal, and PVC blades in just seconds, while the brushless motor provides longer runtime and better efficiency. With 4 included saw blades, you're ready for demolition, remodeling, plumbing, pruning, and countless repair jobs right away. Sometimes, the smallest gadgets solve the biggest problems. This magnetic tool wristband keeps screws, nails, drill bits, washers, and small hardware securely attached to your wrist, so you're not constantly climbing down ladders or searching the floor. Powerful built-in magnets hold everything firmly in place while keeping both hands completely free to work. Whether you're installing cabinets, repairing roofing, assembling furniture, or working inside tight mechanical spaces, this simple accessory saves both time and frustration. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Mr. Pen magnetic claw hammer packs impressive performance into a lightweight 8-ounce design that's perfect for woodworking, trim installation, camping, home repairs, and finish carpentry. Its magnetic nail holder lets you start nails with one hand, making overhead work faster, easier, and much safer. The comfortable grip provides excellent control while reducing hand fatigue during longer jobs. Forget noisy air compressors. Forget tangled air hoses. The NEU Master cordless brad nailer and staple gun gives you complete freedom to drive 18-gauge brad nails and staples almost anywhere. Powered by its included 20-volt battery, it arrives with a charger, hundreds of nails and staples, so you can start working immediately. Its lightweight design makes trim installation, cabinet building, furniture assembly, and woodworking faster and far more enjoyable. For DIYers and contractors alike, this cordless nailer is a serious time saver. Installing rivets by hand gets old fast. This cordless brushless rivet gun, compatible with DeWalt 20V and 60V max batteries, delivers over 2,200 pounds of pulling force for fast, consistent riveting. Its brushless motor increases durability while reducing maintenance, and the automatic pulling mechanism removes nearly all of the physical effort. Whether you're repairing trailers, installing HVAC systems, fabricating sheet metal, or restoring vehicles, productivity increases dramatically. Ask any contractor. Accurate layout is the foundation of every successful project. This 4D 360-degree self-leveling laser level projects 4 complete green laser planes, giving you full room coverage for flooring, drywall, ceilings, framing, cabinetry, and tile installation. Its bright green beams remain highly visible, even in well-lit environments. Automatic self-leveling speeds up setup while reducing costly measurement mistakes. Dual rechargeable batteries keep you working longer without interruption. Sanding drywall might be one of the least enjoyable jobs in construction. Fortunately, the KUPERIA drywall sander makes it dramatically easier. Its powerful 8.5 amp motor, adjustable speed control, extendable handle, and built-in LED light help you sand walls and ceilings with outstanding consistency. The included sanding discs make it perfect for drywall finishing, popcorn ceiling removal, and renovation work. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue during overhead sanding, while helping reveal imperfections before painting. Mixing mortar by hand isn't exactly anyone's favorite job. The COLLOMIX XQ mixer delivers professional 3-speed mixing performance with precise speed adjustment and an integrated timer for consistent batches. Capable of mixing up to 3 50-pound bags at once, it's ideal for mortar, grout, concrete, adhesives, plaster, and flooring compounds. Its balanced ergonomic handles provide excellent control while reducing fatigue during extended mixing sessions. Professional paint jobs don't always require professional painters. The Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus uses powerful airless spray technology to deliver smooth, even finishes on walls, decks, fences, cabinets, garages, and much more. Adjustable pressure control allows you to fine-tune the spray pattern while reducing overspray. It easily handles thicker coatings, helping you finish projects significantly faster than brushes and rollers. Construction creates plenty of dust, but cleaning it up shouldn't slow you down. The Dustless technology's wet and dry shop vac handles everything from fine drywall dust to heavy construction debris and even liquid spills. Its powerful suction and dependable filtration help keep your workspace cleaner, safer, and easier to manage throughout the day. Built for demanding job sites, it's tough enough for everyday professional use. A cleaner workspace means better visibility, improved safety, and greater productivity. We're wrapping up today's countdown with a small upgrade that makes a big difference. The Toolant 20-piece Impact Hex Head Drill Bit Set includes both metric and SAE sizes, precision CNC machined S2 steel bits, and magnetic tips that securely hold fasteners during installation. Built specifically for impact drivers, these bits deliver exceptional durability while reducing strip screws and cam out. The included storage case keeps every size organized and easy to find. Whether you're assembling machinery, repairing equipment, or handling everyday fastening jobs, if you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're always bringing you the newest Amazon tools, construction gear, and must-have innovations that help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the job site, and we'll see you in the next video.